Let me ask you something. If you took a 6-month sabbatical today, just walked away from your business for half a year, would it continue to grow or would it slowly fall apart? If that question makes you uncomfortable, you're not alone. Most business owners have the same problem. Their entire business lives inside their head. The workflows, the processes, the decisions, none of it is written down. And that's a ticking time bomb.
Here's what undocumented workflows are quietly costing you right now. Your business is unsellable. No buyer will sit with you for 6 months while you explain everything from memory. Buyers pay for systems, not stories told over coffee. When key people leave, knowledge disappears. Months or years of tribal knowledge gone overnight. New hires start from zero, making the same mistakes all over again. You can't scale what you can't see. If your CEO is doing business development because nobody else knows how, your company has hit an invisible ceiling. You can't delegate what isn't documented. Training becomes a full-time job. Every new hire pulls your best people away from real work. It's expensive, inconsistent, and completely unscalable. And through all of this, you are the bottleneck. You work 60+ hours a week. You can't take a real vacation. Every decision routes through you. Growth feels impossible because you're maxed out. At Permasize Incorporated, we solve this with a simple, proven framework. Document, delegate, scale. Step 1. Document. Unbottle your business. We take everything trapped in your head and turn it into clear, step-by-step systems anyone can follow. Using intelligent capture technology, we document your processes as you work, in seconds, not weeks. You do your process once. Our tools record every click, every step, every decision, automatically generating visual guides with screenshots and clear instructions. What used to take hours of writing now takes under a minute. The result? A complete operations manual that makes you replaceable, and your business dramatically more valuable. Step 2. Delegate. Free your time, multiply your impact. With documented systems in place, we analyze every task in your business. What should be handed to a team member? What should be automated with technology? We use our delegation intelligence framework to map it all out, so the right tasks end up in the right hands. The result? You reclaim 20 to 40 hours every single week. Time you can spend on strategy, growth, and the work that actually moves the needle. Step 3. Scale. Do more of what works. Now that you're free from daily operations, we help you double down on what's driving revenue. We implement AI-powered automation for repetitive tasks, optimize your workflows, and build systems for continuous improvement. Your team gets smarter, your business gets faster, and you get your life back. Many of our clients double their revenue within 12 to 24 months, while working fewer hours than before. Here's what businesses experience when they work with us. 20 to 40 hours reclaimed per week for business owners. 2 to 10 times increase in company valuation. 77% reduction in team turnover. Revenue doubled within 18 to 24 months.
Now, I know everyone's talking about AI replacing people. We believe the opposite. Our philosophy is simple. Human intelligence first, artificial intelligence second. People build businesses. Technology should enhance human capability, not replace it. We don't just consult and disappear. We implement alongside you, rolling up our sleeves until you see real results. Because we genuinely care about your success.
Stop running your business from memory. The best time to document your processes was when you started. The second best time is right now.
Book a free consultation with us. No commitment, no pressure. Just clarity on where your business stands and where it could go.
Be replaceable. Build value, document, delegate, scale. Permasize Incorporated.